Hi there, it's Jamie. Let's discuss all things opportunities and how they can be used for your business. In order to get started with opportunities, you need to create the phases and paths that your opportunities will follow. Here is where you will find the system standard phases. Use the edit button to change the phase's title, color and more. These phases are the steps in the process that you want to put your contacts through. You can also activate a workflow whenever a contact enters any phase, by assigning a workflow here. Each phase can also have its own checklist, that your team can use to detail out specific pieces of the phase. Here, you can decide if you want to be able to see how close the opportunity is to the close date, when viewing an opportunity in this phase in the Kanban. Lastly, you can assign a workflow to trigger once the opportunity has reached the proposal date. Now that you have the phases, you can build the paths that your contacts will typically go on for sales, training, and more. You can use phases in multiple paths, so you can have variations of the same process. There are also a ton of features that let you customize your opportunities. Outcomes allow you to create reasons for an opportunity being won or lost. These reasons appear when the opportunity is being edited, and the phase is set to closed. Stagnation is where you can set a number of days that an opportunity will sit in a phase, until a workflow is triggered. This is a great way to ensure no opportunities get stuck. Sources are the ways that the contact heard about your business or product. Products are used to denote specific items the contact will be receiving through the opportunity. An opportunity can have multiple products at once. Quotas allow you to set a quota for each user based on amount sold and number of closed deals every month, quarter, or year. Custom fields are opportunity-specific fields that can only be viewed and edited within opportunities. These are a great way to collect specific data about a deal without it being a user field. Much like user fields, you can set the type of field it is, as well as what paths show the field when creating or editing the opportunity. Here is where you can import opportunities if you already have them in a CSV file. Simply download the sample file, and use the instructions here to import them en masse. Lastly, are the preferences for opportunities account-wide. There are a lot of options that can customize how your team interacts with opportunities, including a drag and drop list that allows you to organize all of the fields in the opportunities. With your opportunities completely set up, you and your team can now create them in the contacts record, by going to their Opportunities tab. Opportunities can be associated with multiple contacts, but one will need to be the primary. You and your team can view their open opportunities here. They can view them as either a Kanban or a list. There is also extensive opportunity reporting in contacts, reports, opportunities where you can view the sales funnel, predictions, and more. Opportunities can be created and manipulated by workflows. If you have an opportunity trigger a workflow, you can change that opportunity's phase and path here. Use our special workflow activity to create new opportunities, for the contacts that trigger the workflow. Lastly, you can even change what opportunities are called here in the account settings. Opportunities are powerful trackers that can be used for sales, training, and more. With the many options and settings, you can fully customize them to your needs. If you ever need more information on this or any other topic, we have an extensive help section with articles, cheat sheets, and other tutorials.